Welcome to the Symbiosis channel. Today, we are going to delve into the process of bridging to the Merlin network through Symbiosis. Merlin Chain is a distinctive Layer 2 solution tailored for the Bitcoin blockchain, with a primary objective to bridge Bitcoin with the Ethereum Virtual Machine (EVM) ecosystem. As a native Layer 2 network for Bitcoin, Merlin Chain is committed to enhancing the utility and scalability of Bitcoin assets through innovative integration and adaptation technologies. Bridging to the Merlin network via Symbiosis opens up a gateway to a plethora of exciting opportunities within the crypto space. The seamless connectivity between the two platforms offers users access to a diverse array of decentralized financial services and products. Let's get started. Go to the Symbiosis web app and connect your wallet in the top right corner. Choose any wallet you use or use the Wallet Connect feature. Choose the network with which you want to perform the swap. You can choose any network and token. Symbiosis supports over 1,500 assets as well as the ability to add your custom asset. In the Transfer to field, select the Merlin network and the token you wish to receive. Enter the desired exchange amount and wait for a moment while the exchange data loads. Carefully review the information, and by clicking the swap button, you agree to the exchange terms. Click the swap button and confirm your transaction in your wallet. After that, wait for a few minutes until the swap is completed. Congratulations, your swap has been successfully completed. You can check your balance in your wallet in a few seconds. Bridging to the Merlin network through Symbiosis is an excellent way to explore new horizons in the crypto world. Feel free to embark on this journey and discover the possibilities that await you. Thank you for tuning in, and be sure to like and subscribe for more insightful crypto content.